Are you trying to figure out how to schedule an EverWebinar every 15 minutes? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up recurring webinars every 15 minutes in EverWebinar, and I'll keep it short and sweet so you can get it done fast. Stick around till the end for an exclusive bonus that you won't want to miss. EverWebinar is a powerful tool that allows you to automate webinars. Scheduling a webinar every 15 minutes may seem tricky, but I'll guide you step by step through it. First things first, you need to make sure you have an active EverWebinar account. If you don't have one, you can use the link below to access an exclusive, extended free trial, giving you more time to explore the software. Next thing, after you log into your EverWebinar dashboard, go ahead and click on Webinars in the main menu. Once you're there, select Create New Webinar and choose Evergreen Webinar. This is the webinar format you'll be using for scheduling multiple sessions. Now, let's dive into the scheduling. In the webinar settings, look for the Schedule section. By default, EverWebinar doesn't allow exact 15-minute intervals, but don't worry, we can work around that. Set up your first webinar, and in the scheduling section, make sure it starts at your preferred time. From here, you'll need to set up recurring webinars. Click on Recurring Webinar and choose the option to create new sessions at regular intervals. You can now choose the interval for 15-minute slots. Next thing, once you've set the interval to 15 minutes, you'll have the option to determine how many times the schedule will repeat, as well as the start and end times. If you want the webinars to continue indefinitely, set it to no end date. The fourth thing, after you set the timing, make sure your webinar content is ready to go. You'll upload your presentation, create a registration page, and set your email reminders. Make sure your settings are all aligned to the 15-minute schedule. Finally, don't forget to test your webinar settings before you go live. Check the registration pages and make sure everything looks great and works smoothly. You can also schedule a dry run to make sure the 15-minute interval doesn't cause any technical hiccups. If you follow these steps, you'll have your EverWebinar running every 15 minutes in no time. And before you go, just a quick reminder, check out the exclusive, extended free trial available through the first link in the description below. This trial will give you plenty of time to explore the features of EverWebinar without any rush.